thought it was getting better, but it's actually getting worse. It's getting way worse. I want to make a pizza that perfectly rides that thin line between pleasure and pain. So today I'm going to attempt to maximize the spicy heat I can get on a pizza, like truly cap out the level of burn we can achieve, while still maintaining great flavor and balance. And we're gonna kick things off by making some wicked spicy meat logs. Sausage. We're gonna make spicy sausage. I'm essentially making a spicy version of bratwurst for this pizza. I'm just going to start off with a pork shoulder that needs to be broken down. I'm going to take the meat off of the bone and then cube it up into small enough pieces that'll fit in the meat grinder. I'm keeping all the fat in there. You want about 20% of the sausage to be fat, which is about what the shoulder is. But you could throw some fat back in there too if you wanted a little extra. Once it's all cubed up, I'll stick it in the freezer for an hour to make sure it's super cold before I grind it. I'm going to grind this twice, once on the larger grind and then I'll do it again on the fine grind. Once my meat's all ground up, I'll season it with a mixture of salt, white pepper, nutmeg, ginger, and caraway. This is based on a ratio of how much the meat weighs. The recipe is in the description. I'm using egg whites as a binder and a little German beer. This is where I'm adding the first hit of heat. This is da bomb. At the time of this recording, it's the 4th hottest sauce on the planet. The directions say to use a few drops per gallon of soup or chili. It also says not to consume directly. But I feel like I need to give it a go just straight to see what we're up against. So I'm going to go ahead and put just a drop on this cracker to see what kind of spice level we're at here. Try to get that to focus. There you go, that's what we're talking about. Nothing yet. I can feel it coming though. Feel it building. Yep. Yeah, it's getting hot now. That was a bad idea. Your whole face is on fire. Just with one drop. Oh my god. Eyes are watering. There's hold on. There's a reason why it says to only use 1 drop at a time. For like a gallon of chili. It says use 1 drop in a gallon of chili. Oh my god. That's gonna be some hot sausage. Yeah. Alright, I actually added this in before trying it, otherwise I might have used less. Now I'm going to mix all of my spices and binders into the pork, and for whatever reason I thought it was a good idea to add more da bomb directly to the meat. I'm using natural hog casings for these brats. I'll rinse those off and get them in some warm water for about 30 minutes. Now I'm going to pack all that seasoned meat into the sausage stuffer. Try to get all the air pockets out. Load a casing up and crank it. I'm still learning the art of the sausage, and I'm far from an expert. Fortunately, I got some help to finish this up. I'm going to poach all the sausage in 190 degree water with about a 2% salt concentration by volume. Cook them until you get an internal temperature of 165 degrees. Then toss them directly into an ice water bath to cool. Once cool, pack them up and don't forget to date and label them. Alright, let's get our other toppings ready. I'm going to do a little sliced up red onion, some fresh jalapenos, grated Asiago, and I'm going to slice up some of those homemade, probably wicked spicy sausages. I made a quick red sauce with blended San Marzano tomato, olive oil, and salt. I think I'm ready to build my pizza. I'm stretching my standard dough here. There's a link for that in the description. We're going to cook in the rock box, so this will be a 12-inch pizza. Hit it with that red sauce, some Asiago, a little bit of red onion, my sausage going down next, some fresh mozzarella, and then the jalapenos. It's ready to go in the rock box. My oven is at 800 degrees Fahrenheit, and this will cook in about 3 minutes. There is a link for the rock box in the description. It's an awesome little oven. Alright, this thing is looking good, but I think it might just need a little extra heat. That will do. Okay, let's taste this thing. I'll be honest, my mouth is still burning from the little drop of this I had about 45 minutes ago. So I'm not super excited to try this pizza. Although it does look pretty good. I'm a little scared of it. Got a good cook, good color. Everything looks nice. It smells hot. I don't know why I decided I needed to put jalapenos and sriracha on top of it, but maybe hit subscribe. I don't know. It's instant this time. That's hot. Oh my god. It does have good flavor, but there's no reason to eat anything that hot. You shouldn't make stuff like this. I'm doing this so you don't have to. Straight sausage. The flavor actually is pretty good once you get past the mind-numbing heat. You know when you're eating spicy things and you get a point where you have to keep eating that spicy thing or else you have to deal with the pain, but if you keep eating it, it doesn't seem as bad? I'm living there right now. That's my house. I built it. I'll burn it to the ground. Yeah, I gotta get a drink. Don't do this. Don't make this pizza. This is a bad idea. Hey, if you found any value in this video at all, why not hit that subscribe button? You know you want to.